Give me a E for example if I can share an example with you. Thank you. See, this is Gopal. And Gopal was working in sales and marketing. He was working for the National Industrial Corporation. Salary was around 9.5 lakhs. And Gopal lost his job in the pandemic. How many of you remember when the first wave, the lockdown was announced? March 2020. 22nd March or 23rd March, right? So that was when the lockdown, 23rd March, that's right. So that is when the lockdown was announced. And in April, his company asked him to resign. In April, he was asked to resign. Now, he's a family man. Gopal lives in the Ludhiana area in Punjab. He's a family man and he lost his job at that time. And it was very difficult. It was very difficult to be in that kind of a situation. And I can tell you that he applied for 78 different jobs. He applied for 78 different positions. And the only response he got was, thank you for submitting your application. If we find you suitable, we will get back to you. Do not respond to this email. This is an auto-generated message. How many of you are familiar with that email? Give me a F for familiar if you're familiar with that email. 78 rejections, 78 rejections this one man went through. Can you imagine what it does to someone's mindset when you go through rejection like that? It can totally shatter and devastate you. And that is where he came and engaged with me. And he took a total of 58 days, didn't even take 60 days. In 58 days, was able to find the right opportunity for himself in the Ludhiana area with Kaya Blenders and Distillers as VP of Sales and Operations. Salary jumped from 9.5 lakhs to 18 lakhs plus variable. How many of you want a jump like that? Give me a J for jump if you want a jump like that. Thank you. Then please understand this. Please understand this. You are not paid for your time. You are not even paid for your knowledge or for your personality. Now, I'm not saying these things are not important. You want to build a great career, you will have to put in the time. You will have to build your base of knowledge and you will have to be the kind of personality that knows how to play well on teams. But this is not what you get paid for. This is not the foundation. The foundation of what you get paid for is the value of the results that you deliver. You're not paid to look busy. You're not paid to try hard. You're paid to produce results. Please understand that. I want you to break the connection of your value with your time and your knowledge and your personality. It's based on the value of the results that you deliver. This is the real foundation. And when your results are in the right place, a lot of other minor issues will be overlooked. Are you understanding what I'm telling you? Give me a U for understanding if you're understanding this. See, there are students who study for only 2 weeks before the exams and they still get great marks. And then there are students who study for months, but they are still struggling to pass. Maybe you were a student like that who used to study only for 2 weeks before the exam and used to do well. See, please understand, when your results are in the right place, you must become even easier to work with. Your leadership potential should show. See, because let me ask you this question. What is the most difficult thing for an employer or a business owner? What is the most difficult thing for a business owner? Tell me in the comment box. Talari is saying hiring the right candidate. Nazir is saying time factor. Suraj is saying loss. Kaushalendra is saying to ask an employee to leave. Sanjib is saying to generate profit. Kaushik is saying not to give up. Darpan is saying to pay salary without any return. Geenal Fofalia is saying finding the right talent. Prashant Sarang is saying find a suitable manager. Amal Raj is saying find the right employees. See, please understand the most difficult thing for any business is to develop great people. Profit, sales, वो सारा कुछ तो right team के बाद आएगा. First, you have to get the right people. Please understand this. The most difficult thing in business is to develop great people and then to be able to hold on to them. You have to kiss many frogs before you find your prince. Please understand that. So the real question here is, are you good at what you do? Because if you are good at what you do, that is exactly what your employer wants. They want high quality, error-free, result-producing work. It does not matter what function you are in. You could be in sales or operations or marketing or supply chain or IT or any other function, accounts, finance. It does not matter what function you are in. Take any function as an example. Let's take sales as an example. If you're in sales, you're expected to hit your targets. You're supposed to know how to work that pipeline from cold to warm to hot to closing the deals. The quality and the quantity of the profit to bring, it must match your standard. So if there is a business where their sales are and they meet a candidate like you who can fix things, who can help them stabilize at this difficult time, who can maybe even help them achieve some small growth, who can help them avoid all of the other problems that come because of falling sales. What is that worth to that company? I mean, seriously, what is it worth to that company? See, I think about my own business. If I am in a situation where I am pressed for time and I'm facing a situation where my IT department is not performing, or my sales is not performing, or my operations is not performing, then in that situation, what is that kind of a candidate worth to me who can help me stabilize that area, who can be the solution to that area, who can help me create a little bit of growth, who can help me avoid all of the other problems that will come because of the core issues. See, please understand, if I meet a candidate like that who can solve the problem in that area, there is no way I will not find a method to hire that person. And this brings me to an even bigger truth bomb. If a business or an employer is sitting across the table from someone who can solve their needs, there is no way they are going to let them walk away. Please understand this. Think about it in your own life. You meet someone who can help you solve your issues, may it be a financial issue or a career issue or a spiritual issue or a relationship issue. Will you not honestly try to work with them? So please understand this. Can I share an example with you? Give me an E for example if I can share an example with you. This is Amarjeet. He lives in the Chandigarh area. And he was in the procurement function, purchase and procurement. He's working for this building materials industry company called MYK. Now see, he's got two young sons who are going to college. He's got expenses. Salary was around 14 lakhs when he was let go from his job. You know how we try to appear brave in front of our families? Do you know what I'm talking about? Give me an IK for I know if you know what I'm talking about. We try to appear, we put on a brave face in front of our families when we're going through difficulty because we don't want that difficulty to touch them. But inside only we know what struggle we are going through. Because he also lost his job in COVID. And he was supposed to be paid a 3-month severance and the company never paid that. And it was in that condition that he came to me. Very shattered. I had to work a lot on his personality before I could even work on all of the career strategies. I had to first work on his mindset. But in less than 60 days, 60 din bhi nahi lage. In less than 60 days, found the right opportunity at EPAC India, which is a company that makes prefabricated structures, because he showed them the roadmap of how to go from a 130 crore company to 250 crore company. And he had the solution roadmap that he had worked on using the SPT model. Salary is now 25 lakhs plus variable. He's now using the SPT model the second time. He's now going for a job above 60 lakhs. So please understand what power I'm sharing with you. But see, the issue is most people keep living this blind life. And I'll tell you what is a blind life. You have to be honest with me and you have to tell me, are you living a blind life? See, a blind life is one where you know what is the right thing to do, but you are still unable to do it because something inside you is died. Give me a BL for blind life if you are guilty of living the blind life. You know what is the right thing to do. आपको मालूम है सही चीज क्या है, पर आप फिर भी नहीं कर पाते because कुछ अंदर मर चुका है. You have let failure define you. See, please understand, it's very easy to create goals. It's very easy to create the outcomes that you want. बड़ा घर चाहिए, अच्छी गाड़ी चाहिए, बैंक में कुछ पास पैसा चाहिए, अच्छी छुट्टियां लेनी है, बच्चों को अच्छी तालीम देनी है. It's very easy to create goals. Winners and losers can have the same goals. The difference is what is the process you're going to follow to achieve your goals. And you know what is the problem here? Ask me what is the problem. Give me a P for problem in the comment box if you want to understand what the problem is. See, the problem here is your existing identity. Your existing identity believes in something. आपका एक बना हुआ वजूद है. So let me explain this with an example. How many people here want to lose weight? Give me a LW for lose weight if you want to lose weight. Naya saal aa raha hai ji, right? New Year is coming. Everybody wants to get fitter and healthier and look better and feel better and all of that. So if you want to lose weight, what are the two things that you need to do? What are the two things that you need to do to lose weight? That's right. Sanchita has the right answer. Nitin has the right answer. Kaushalendra has the right answer. Vinay has the right answer, right? You have to diet and you have to exercise. But the problem is your existing identity. Aapka bana hua wajud. If your existing identity values sitting in front of the television more and watching Netflix and Amazon Prime rather than doing the hard work in the gym and making the sacrifice in the kitchen, then your existing identity will not let you follow the process that will take you to the goal. How many of you are having a light bulb moment right now? Give me a LB for light bulb if you're understanding this. See, please understand, true behavior change is the ability to change your identity. And this is a simple two-step process. How many of you want to understand these two steps? Give me a 2 in the comment box if you want to understand these two steps. Please, baat ka patangad mat banaiye. Don't make this a mountain. एक चींटी को मारने के लिए हाथी को लाने की जरूरत नहीं होती. You do not need to bring an elephant to kill an ant. Please understand this. This is a simple two-step process. The first step of the process is you have to decide the kind of person you want to be. You have to decide the type of person you want to be. You need to make a fully committed decision. And the problem is most people are not able to make this fully committed decision. Most people only like the idea of change. बदलाव का idea उन्हें पसंद आता है. They like it, but they are not able to fully commit to it. You know why? Ask me why in the comment box. Ask me why in the comment box. The reason they are not able to fully commit to this idea of change is because there is a limited amount of space in your brain. आपके दिमाग में इतनी ही जगह है. And people fill this space with either regrets of the past or the anxiety of the future. They worry themselves over things that will not help them. They fill their head with regret of the past or anxiety of the future. अरे जगह कहाँ बची to commit to the change? They don't leave themselves enough space to be able to fully commit to that idea that right now the actions I take is what matters most. Are you understanding what I'm telling you? Give me a U for understanding if you're understanding this. So the first step of that process is you need to decide the type of person you want to be. After removing the anxiety and the regret from your brain, you need to make that fully committed decision. And the second step is you need to prove it to yourself with small wins. Small wins. You need to collect small proof, small evidence that you are capable of change. See, all it takes is 10 minutes a day. How many of you are willing to put in 10 minutes a day? Give me a 10 in the comment box if you're willing to put in 10 minutes a day. Excellent. Please understand this. Please understand this. The 10 minutes a day is not a problem. The problem is taking that first step. वो पहला कदम. Because the psychology behind this is people prefer the state of misery to you. Understand how many of you have not understood. Give me a U for understood and give me a NU for not understood. Because it's very important you understand this. अगर नहीं समझ आया ये तो बताइए, मैं समझाऊंगा. Right? See, please understand this. People prefer the certainty of misery to the misery of uncertainty. Having the sure knowledge that if you do not create change in your life, you will remain unhappy and miserable. Despite having that sure knowledge, you are unable to create change in your life because you are scared of everything that you will have to face when you set out on that journey to create that change. ये जानने के बावजूद कि अगर आप अपने जीवन में बदलाव नहीं लाएंगे तो आप बहुत ही दुखी और नाखुश रहेंगे. ये जानने के बावजूद भी आप बदलाव नहीं ला पाते हैं क्योंकि डर लगता है, भय लगता है उन सारी चीजों से जिनका सामना करना पड़ेगा जब आप बदलाव लाने के लिए निकल पड़ेंगे. Who will take that first step? I cannot take that first step for you. Only you can take that first step for you. If you don't go to the gym, you won't develop muscles. I cannot go to the gym for you. Are you understanding this? Give me a U for understanding if you're understanding this. Because see, what happens is when you do not have the mindset to understand what failure is trying to teach you, you start building a resistance. And this resistance plays a very negative role in your life. You become more resistant to change. And this resistance is invisible and it is internal. ये दिखेगी नहीं आपको resistance. You won't be able to see it. And when you cannot see an enemy, does it not give the enemy an advantage? Give me an A for advantage if you're understanding this. See, an example of a great invisible enemy in the world right now is the coronavirus. Does it not have the advantage? And this is internal. It's internal to all human beings. Because this resistance is very unreasonable. आप इस resistance से बात नहीं कर सकते. You cannot have a discussion with your resistance. You cannot have a dialogue or a conversation with your resistance. The only thing your resistance understands is your power to take action. And this resistance is very hierarchical. This resistance will only come up when you are taking a decision to improve your life. Kahin agar wo decision aisa hai that will improve your life, then this will come up. So if we go back to that example of losing weight, what happens? Resistance comes up. And what does that resistance say? We will start the diet from next Monday. We'll start the gym from next week. Does that next week ever come? Does that next week ever really come? Please understand that. And resistance is completely impersonal. It doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care if you live in North India or South India or East India or West India, you're tall or you're short, you're dark or you're fair. And it's very strategic. The more important that decision is to the true mission of your life, the more resistance is going to slam you because it goes into panic mode. It knows you're close to the finish line. It knows you may become successful. So it will hit you with everything it has. It will convince you that you are not taking the right action. And you know why resistance is so good at winning over you? Do you know why it is so good at winning over you? Ask me why. Ask me why in the comment box. See, the reason your resistance is so good at winning over you, the reason your resistance is so good at winning over you is because it has known you since you were a small child. It has developed with you. It has complete access to your brain. It knows exactly how you will think. It knows what logic you will come up with, what it needs to tell you to stop you from taking action. Because the goal of resistance is not just to stop you. The goal of resistance is to kill you. It's a fight to the death. Can I share an example with you? Give me an E for example if I can share this with you. Thank you. See, this is Brian. He was already a senior level professional. More than 15 years of work experience. Salary was already more than 1 CR. He was working for this company called Stryker, one of the largest medical devices companies in the world. But the problem was a lot of resistance had built up. He loved the company, but the reason this resistance had built up is because he was working for a boss who felt insecure. The boss felt threatened by him. How many of you understand what I'm talking about? Give me a U for understand if you understand this situation. The boss was feeling insecure and threatened. See, the boss can either be your biggest supporter or the biggest roadblock. और इसका boss अच्छे से सुना रहा था इसे. सारी जली कटी. He had to listen to the full download. And this is what was building up resistance in him. He knew he had a lot more to give. He loved the company. He had been there for 15 years. He had built his career there. And that is where he came and engaged with me. 68 days. He took a total of 68 days. In 68 days, got promoted to a different division within the company to a position above his boss. Boss's boss. Salary jumped to more than 3 CR. I told you it works for promotions as well as for new jobs. This is what Brian had to say. Take a look.
Hi, everyone. My name is Brian. I work in the finance department within the medical device industry. And I'm here today to tell you that I've been through Savant's course. And it is hands down the most comprehensive and complete job search and job application tool that is out there. The program takes complete responsibility to help you find your dream job and holds your hand through the entire process. And it's something that you will use potentially long into your career. If you're honestly serious about your professional career, I can sincerely recommend that you sign up for this program because you will use the knowledge multiple times during your career as you move laterally and upwards in your career ladder in your profession. Honestly, accelerating your career is in your hands. I wish you all the best and sincere best wishes in your career ahead. Thank you.
See, I can tell you money is just not a concern for him anymore. See, the problem is not that you are stopping to believe in yourself. The problem is you don't know where to look for the red diamond job. I told you I will help you break this myth. It's not really a lack of belief. The problem is you don't know where to look for opportunities like this. And you don't have the tools to dig them out. And see, the second myth was you may believe in yourself, but if you price yourself outside the market, then you feel that no one will hire you. If you raise your salary expectation, you feel that no one will hire you. See, please understand this. A high salary expectation is actually a reassuring demand to employers, to the best employers, because it tells them that you are the best of the best. See, if we go back to that example where my business is suffering, in that situation, who will I hire? Will I hire the person who will take a long time to train and a lot of hand holding to manage? Or will I hire the person who can solve the problems properly? Because you only get what you pay for. You only get what you pay for. See, I will hire the person who can solve the challenges properly. And if someone is asking for 30,000 rupees versus someone else is asking for a lakh of rupees for the same job, who will I assume is better? Who will I assume is better? Naturally, I will draw the conclusion that the person demanding more money is far superior. They are far more mature. They are far more results oriented. See, you get what you pay for. Please understand this. You cannot buy a Ferrari for the budget of a Fiat. हैं दोनों गाड़ियां ही. They are both cars. They will only take you from point A to point B. But please understand, the experience of owning and driving a Ferrari is very different from owning and driving a Fiat. How many of you consider yourselves to be a Ferrari? Give me a FR for Ferrari in the comment box if you consider yourself to be a Ferrari. And lastly, please understand this. People who get paid more, they actually produce better results. They actually produce better results. And both great employees and great employers know this. Because see, how many of you here are here attending this masterclass because you want to provide a better quality of life to your family? Give me an I in the comment box if that is why you are attending. Then please understand this. Money is a very important part of the equation. Money is a very important part of an equation. If you get paid a standard salary like 30,000 rupees, then your effort will be 30,000 rupees worth. But if you get paid a salary of a lakh, then your effort will be worth a lakh, isn't it? Your commitment and your drive to achieve your targets will be very different, isn't it? You are going to show up ready to work. Your energy is going to be at its best. And when you're operating in that zone, does it not position you to achieving the best results? And see, the last thing, please understand, it is much easier to fix your own life when you're associated with a premium salary than when you're on an ordinary salary. I'll give you an example. See, this is Rohit. Rohit is from the state of Kerala. How many of you here are interested in international offers? Give me a IO for international offers if you're okay to look at offers outside India as well. Okay, then please understand. In the state of Kerala, this is a huge trend. A lot of people from that state look for offers outside India. And Rohit had done the same. He had gone to Singapore. He was the VP for business development for this data analytics company. Salary was already 54 lakhs. The problem was the senior leadership of the company was fighting. Senior leadership of the company had major differences of opinion, and this was trickling down through the rest of the organization. How many of you have experienced such a situation? Give me an E for experience. If you have seen such a situation where there are problems at the senior leadership level, at the management level, and that is impacting how all of the departments and the functions do their work. Because he was tired for waiting for his company to recognize his true potential. He was tired of waiting for his boss to recognize what he was capable of. And it was in that situation that he engaged with me. And he took a total of 75 days, 75 din, 75 days to the role of a CEO at this niche data analytics company. Salary almost 5 times, from 54 lakhs to 2.4 crores. He just bought his parents a house in Kerala. This is what Rohit had to say. Take a look.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rohit Rajan. I live in Singapore, working in the digital marketing space. I've been professionally employed for all of my career. And while I was experiencing growth, my ambitions were greater than the growth I was experiencing. In this past year, I came to know about the Apex methodology, and I underwent Savant's program. This program helped me break through all the barriers that were holding me back. And now I head the firm where I work. If you want to accelerate your development, just sign up for this program.
See, he's already built RMS into an 18% team. Despite wave 1 and wave 2, they've already done 10 million Singapore dollars in business. They're already upwards of a 50 crore company. So I'm going to take you a little deeper into the implementation. Is that okay? Give me a okay in the comment box if I can take you a little deeper into the SPT model. Okay, then please pay attention to this, because I'm going to give you a little more flavor for the objectives and the work that you need to put in terms of hard and soft data research. First, I will define the objectives, and then I'll give you an understanding of some of the detail of the work that you need to put in hard and soft data research. See, please understand this. When you conduct hard data research, that's your first objective, to go beyond the job description and conduct hard data research, where you uncover the true needs of the company. You look into their financials, you look into the industry level factors, the competitive factors, the market situation. All of this you are doing to uncover the needs that go beyond the job description. And then you need to assess, do you have the competencies that can solve these problems? See, it's not a matter of trust. You trust your parents. But if you required surgery, you won't go to your parent, you'll go to a qualified doctor. See, please understand, this is a question that deals with competencies. When it comes to the interaction in the job search and application journey with a company, you and the company are both looking to answer this question. And the question is, do you have the skills? Do you have the competencies to get the job done? This is what you're trying to understand in hard data research. क्या आपके पास वो गुण, वो खूबियां हैं जो उनकी प्रॉब्लम हल कर सकती हैं, जो उनके मसले हल कर सकती हैं? Can you solve their issues? That is what hard data research is helping you answer. And then when you do soft data research, which is your second objective, that is dealing with, do you want to solve their problems? It's a question that is dealing with the culture of the company. See, if you don't fit well in the company, you will not enjoy working there. If you are not working with people you respect and admire, you will not last. understanding where you work best. Do you work best in calm and composed environments? Do you work best in crazy and chaotic environments? It's very important. Self-knowledge is one of the highest forms of awareness. So in that interaction with a company, soft data is helping you answer, do you want to solve the problems? क्या आपका दिल है कि उनकी problems को solve करे? That's a question that goes back to their culture, because if the culture is not a good fit for you, you will not be able to grow there. You'll not be able to fit there. Are you understanding this? Give me a U for understanding if you're understanding this. Because please understand, this is the road that will take you to the center of the three circles. This is the road that takes you to the red diamond. So if you have to take this journey, then you have to take it in a quick and efficient manner. You have to take it in a quick and efficient manner. The goal here is not to get paralysis by analysis. And for that, I am going to take you a little deeper into hard and soft data research so you can get a much deeper understanding of what it will take. See, please understand this. When you conduct hard data research, you're going to conduct these 5 types of research: financial, industry, credit rating, market, and competitive. So how do you conduct financial research? You conduct financial research by conducting ratio analysis. Now, how many of you here are from a finance background and how many are a non-finance background? Give me a F for finance and an NF for non-finance. Okay, then please understand, you do not require a finance background to be able to conduct ratio analysis. To conduct ratio analysis, you only need 4 things. If you understand these 4 things, you can conduct ratio analysis. These 4 things are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How many of you know these 4 things? Give me a 4 in the comment box if you know these 4 things. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the 4 things you need to know. That's it. Because one of the segments that I work with a lot is women who take a break for their careers. They take a break for raising a family or for having children or even for caring for the elders in the home. And they come back to the workforce after 5 years, 6 years. It takes them half an hour to 45 minutes to learn ratio analysis and use it to their advantage. So please understand, when you conduct ratio analysis, you will look at certain financial ratios. You will compare certain financial metrics. For example, you look at liquidity ratios. See, liquidity ratios tell you what is a company's ability to manage its short-term obligations, its working capital requirements. See, companies have to pay rent, have to pay electricity, have to pay salary. If a company does not pay rent or electricity or salary, what will happen to that company? Tell me in the comment box. What will happen to a company that is unable to pay its rent or its salaries? That's right. Finish. Shut down. It will be closed. It will not be able to survive. It will collapse. That's right. So liquidity ratios are looking at the manner in which money is flowing into the company so that it can sustain these expenses. The second type of ratios that you look at is activity ratios. This tells you how efficient is the company at using its assets to create income and profit. How efficient is the company? See, in a product company, the assets may be land, factory, machinery, certainly their people. But in a services company, it may be the office space and it will be the brains. Like a software company, software is a product of the human mind. So in a service company, in an IT company, it is the human mind that is the inventory, right? So please understand that. So how are they using their assets? That is their asset to produce the income and the profitability of the company? Is there an opportunity to be able to produce a better product, produce it faster, more reliably, sell it faster, bill it faster? These are all things that will improve the efficiency of the company. That's what you're looking at when you're looking at activity ratios. And then there is solvency ratios. When you look at solvency ratios, you're trying to understand how solvent is the company. Does the company have the strength to look after its long-term obligations? Bhai, bada loan liya hai. You've taken on debt. You've taken a huge loan, a line of credit. Do you have the ability to sustain that, to be able to pay the interest on that? If you sell all of the assets of the company, will you be able to generate enough cash to be able to look after all of these long-term obligations as well? That is what solvency ratios are looking at. And then you look at profitability ratios. See, does everyone here know the difference between gross profit and net profit? Does everyone here know the difference between gross profit and net profit? Tell me yes or no. See, please understand this. Your total sales, okay? Your total sales minus your cost of goods equals your gross profit. And from your gross profit, if you take out all indirect costs like salary or rent, etc., interest, right? Taxes, these are all examples of indirect expenses. Then you get your net profit. Total sale mein se cost of goods, what it cost you to manufacture the product or the service, that gives you your gross profit. Gross profit mein se sare indirect kharche nikale. Salary, rent, interest, taxes, amortization, depreciation. That gives you net profit. And when it comes to profitability, there are two very important rules. See, first, your margin must be higher than the cost of the capital. आपने जो पैसा लगाया in that business to earn that money, जिस entrepreneur ने वो पैसा लगाया, any entrepreneur that puts money, the margin that they have to earn must be greater than the interest cost. And the second variable there, the second law there is the company must use its assets in a way where money is coming in faster than the liabilities are sending money out. Because otherwise you will be in a cash crunch. If money is going out of the company faster than money is coming in, it will become a cash crunch. And then the last type of ratios you may look at is called market ratios. These are for public limited companies. These are for public limited companies. Vineet is saying there might be companies which would be published hidden revenues. Okay, Vineet, every single tax-paying company across the world files its financial statements with their government. This is all in the public domain. So I want you to understand this. In India, there are more than 60 lakh companies. 60 lakh se adhik companiyan hain which file their financial statements with the government. All of this information is in the public domain. Okay? All of this. Private limited, public limited, LLP, LLC, partnership, proprietorship, every single company. So please understand that. So if you run a simple Google search, financial statements, Indian companies, at least 150 websites will come up that for a small fees, you will be able to buy their financial statements. Some of the websites I use are Toffler, Zauba Corp, Insta Financials, Crunchbase, Money Control, Screener. Some are even free. Some are even totally free. And if you're looking at public limited companies, for some companies, you will already find ratio analysis fully completed. So देखिए सिर्फ स्विच ऑन करने की जरूरत है. You need to become a little resourceful. That's it. Your career is your responsibility. किसी और की nobody else wakes up with the goal कि आप अपने जीवन के चैंपियन बन जाएं. That is your responsibility. And similarly, at the industry level also, we conduct a number of analyses. We conduct the 5 forces analysis. We try and understand what are the trends, the drivers, how is the value chain of the industry structured. So please understand that. There are a number of detailed analyses that we conduct at the industry level. One very effective analysis at the industry level is called the PESTEL analysis. PESTEL. P for political, E for economic, S for social, T for technological, E for environmental, and L for legal. ये सारे पहलू देखने पड़ेंगे. You'll have to look at all of these aspects of a company. Because please understand, the opportunity can be hiding anywhere. The opportunity can be hiding anywhere. And then you do credit rating analysis. This is where you come to understand, is the company credit worthy or not? What is the risk profile associated with them? उनको funding मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी? See, India has a beautiful startup ecosystem. But for every successful startup that you listen to, there are hundreds and thousands that failed. And this is a very important piece of analysis that helps you understand who will succeed and who will fail. There is a lot of insight in this report. And you even get a lot of personal detail about who owns the company in this report. And again, it is available freely in the public domain. Now, I want you to understand this. See, you are not looking for the best run company. You are looking for the company where your stick can have the biggest impact. How many of you are having a light bulb moment by listening to this statement? Give me a give me a LB for light bulb if you're understanding this. You are not looking for the best run business. आप सबसे बेहतरीन कंपनी नहीं ढूंढ रहे जो ऑलरेडी बहुत ग्रेट है. You are looking for the company जहां पे you are the चाबी to their ताला. You are the key to their lock, where your stick can create the biggest impact. That is why you are conducting all of this analysis. Because when you look into market factors, you're looking at what are their customers saying? How is their brand positioned? What is the pricing strategy? Have they overloaded the product with too many features and too many benefits that they cannot hit the sweet spot in terms of pricing? Then you conduct a SWOT analysis. You understand what are their strengths, their weaknesses, their opportunities, and their threats. Because strengths and weaknesses are factors internal to the company. Opportunities and threats are market-related factors. How are the internal realities of the company, the internal resources of the company aligned with the external realities, the goals that they want to go after? What is the risk across the portfolio of products? Are there too many loss leaders? All of this has to be understood. And then lastly, you look at competitive factors. See, may it be a product company or a service company. May it be a trading company or a manufacturing company. May it be in the for-profit sector or the not-for-profit sector. Brands are going to compete on the basis of 3 variables: price, quality, service. And when you benchmark against the best-in-class companies, the best players in the industry, you come to understand how to change the weightage between these 3 factors, price, quality, and service, to be able to maximize profitable market share. And do you want to understand the beauty of this system? Give me a B for beauty if you want to understand the beauty of this system. See, please understand this. This entire process is guided by templates. अपना दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You put in the numbers, the template gives you the answer. Give me a W for wow if you understand what I'm telling you here. See, I did not have that much time to go into that level of detail with all of this. So I had to build it as a system. And the same thing for soft data research. There is template-based strategies that help you get connected with an organization in a manner where you understand their culture before you take up the role. Because मैं दूध का जला हुआ था, मैं छाछ को भी फूंक के पी रहा था. I had been in a situation where I took up the job offer with a company where I did not fit into their culture. I never wanted to put myself in that position again. So before I joined the company, I developed this process of how to be able to understand their culture. How to be able to understand, are KPIs mapped for every role and every department? Is there clarity around the overall goals? सब एक ही दिशा में खींच रहे हैं ना? Is everybody pulling in the same direction? Is there a realistic strategy for the company to achieve its goals? Have the leaders done their job? Have they given the right resources to the people? Have resources been allocated correctly? You may need 5 people in your department to do the job, but they give you only 2. Then that will impact the quality and the timeline of the work. And then what is the executional discipline of a company? All of this has to be looked into. And who are the decision makers? See, there are 2 very important sets of people that you are going to meet when you start interacting with the company. There are these 2 populations. They are called first connects and first researched. These first researched, these are people who are decision makers. These are the people who have the authority and the power to say yes to you as a candidate. And these first connects are the existing employees of the company. These are the people who will give you the insight as to the reality of their culture before you accept the position, only if you know how to create the right foundation, how to approach them correctly. This is entirely a game of positioning. The minute you position yourself as a job seeker, you will be treated as a job seeker. You will be handed off to the HR department और फिर आपकी एप्लीकेशन दोबारा कभी रोशनी नहीं देखेगी. But if you know how to create the right context in how to position yourself in a conflict-free manner, then these people will start opening up and giving you this information. And there are multiple strategies we use because we have refined this process to a point where it works 100% of the time. It doesn't matter what industry you are in, and it doesn't matter where in your career you are. Please understand, a 3x acceleration is capable for entry level, for mid-level, for senior professionals everywhere. And see, today in the world, you have social media. By the time my students go and meet with these people, they already know who they are meeting with, where they live, what's their family like, where is the last place they took a vacation, what college they attended, what sports teams they like, what are their political views. There is so much more they know about the person who will be interviewing them. Because that is the big moment in the job search and application journey. And the more of that information you have, the more you have the capability of keeping the interview professional, confident, vibrant, and positive. No one else's responsibility to build your career, only your responsibility. And please keep in mind, the more senior the role you are applying for, the more that decision can be based in the opinion of multiple people. So please understand this. The past employees who are your first connects, these are the people who will tell you what is the true experience of working at that organization. Because I want you to understand this. Does the company really know why they exist, why they get out of bed and come to work each day? What do they want to become in 5-7 years from now? Who do they want to be? Please understand this. It's very important to understand the culture before you accept the position, because will you get along with these people? Your value systems have to be in alignment. See, in life, you get to choose your friends. Who you develop a friendship with, you get to choose that. आप किससे दोस्ती रखते हैं ये आप डिसाइड करते हैं. But who you work with, you don't get to decide that. When you join a company, there are people who already work there. And if that value system is not the same, you will come into conflict. There are pre-existing conditions when you join a company. There are pre-existing personalities at play. And culture is the number one reason for dissatisfaction in the workplace. Please understand this. It is the biggest killer of careers. And lastly, you need to understand who the leaders are. Because leading is done from the front. You cannot talk about leadership. You have to live leadership. You have to show leadership. Where the management is good, their bad employees will leave because they cannot hide in the system. But where the management is bad, there the good employees will leave because they are not getting the support that they need to do their best work. And again, please understand, this entire soft data process is also led by templates. How to interact with the company at every single stage so that you uncover all of this information entirely based in templates. Can I share a truth bomb with you? Give me a TB for truth bomb if I can share this, because this will take us into secret number 3, where I will tie up the whole system. See, fundamentally, you have to understand this. Fundamentally, you have to understand this. Companies relate with you for their own needs, not for your needs and not for your greatness. Please understand this. The primary responsibility of a company is to create returns for its owners, its shareholders. जिन्होंने पैसा लगाया है, जिन्होंने रिस्क लिया है. ये कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे हैं. They are not doing anything wrong. A company relates with you to solve their problems, not your problems. The only reason a company brings somebody onto their payroll is when they believe that by hiring this person, we will be able to generate even better returns for our owners and shareholders. It's as simple as that. And this is what takes us into secret number 3. Please keep this in mind. Secret number 3 is what I call the secret weapon. This is the game changer. This secret weapon is known as the inbound approach. And this works every single time. The problem is people only know the outbound approach. People only know the traditional approach of how to get a job. And this approach is not working anymore. See, the traditional process of getting a job has a very high failure rate. Hundreds of people applying for one position. Only one person will be hired. Rejection is a very real part of the game when you use the traditional way of getting jobs. Because here you are shooting in the dark. You have not done that level of research where you have become compelling at a level where they cannot let you walk away. You've read a standard job description and you've applied. तुक्का मार लेते हैं, select हो जाए, हे भगवान select हो जाए. Please understand this. This is how most people come to the job market. Because here candidates have a blind journey. आपको नहीं पता कौन और अप्लाई कर रहा है. You don't know who else is applying. There could be people much better educated, much more experienced, much better qualified than you. And these are very competitive situations. See, the number one, the trend that I'm seeing is because of wave 1 and wave 2 of the pandemic, the number of people applying for these positions has tripled. There are 3 times more candidates available today than there are jobs. That balance is totally shifted because so many people landed up losing their jobs. The talent pool is much bigger today. And this process keeps the focus on the candidates. How many people have ever felt grilled in an interview? Give me a G for grilled if you felt grilled in an interview. Deepak is saying roasted. Shailesh is saying deep fried. Yeah, it's the truth. See, here, understand, if you follow the traditional outbound process, then the power will stay with the hiring company. Power will totally stay with the hiring company. They have a choice. This becomes a very repulsive process because sab apna bhaupu baja rahe hain. Everybody's blowing their own trumpet. Sir, I am the best. No, I am the best. Sir, take me. I am the solution. I am the answer to your prayers. Arey bhai, you are speaking in a language they don't want to listen to because they don't relate with you for your greatness. They relate with you for how relevant you are to solving their problems. आप अपनी महानता की बात करते रह जाओगे तो सुनेगा कौन? See, please understand, it is this inbound approach that works. It's a revolutionary process. The minute you master it, there is no interview situation, there is no job situation that you cannot get an offer from. Because this is a roadmap that will differentiate you. Because you've done research at a level where you understand their uncommon problems. You understand things beyond the job description. You are solving the most complex challenges and opportunities. That is why you will be paid also in a very, very significantly higher fashion. And as the candidate, you have the control. You engineer every aspect of your candidacy. And there is zero competition here because nobody does this level of research before they start talking to companies, before they start interacting with companies. The focus here is on the company's needs. You are now speaking in a language they want to listen to. आप जिस भाषा में बोल रहे हो उन्हें समझ आ रहा है because you're focusing on their problems, their opportunities. And this is why the power moves to you as a candidate. See, in life, whenever you pay sincere attention to someone else's problem, you become more important for them. Agreed? Give me an A for agreed if you're understanding this. Whenever in life, आप किसी और की मुसीबत को sincere attention दोगे, आप उनके लिए और महत्वपूर्ण हो जाओगे. You will become more important for them the minute you give sincere importance to their issues, their problems. This is how psychology all over the world works. And that is why the power moves to you as a candidate. Because you're helping them understand the solution. This becomes a magnetic process when you run this as a campaign. When you run it as a campaign, it becomes a magnetic process. You generate multiple offers. And see, I'm going to take you a little deeper into this. Is this okay? I'm going to take you a little deeper into understanding the journey. Is that okay? Give me a okay in the comment box if you want to understand the steps involved in getting hired into your dream job. See, please understand there are 3 stages. There are 3 stages to getting hired into your dream job. The first stage is how does the company get to know you? How do you become visible to the company? Is it on an ordinary platform or is there something different about you? And that will only come through if you keep the focus on them. Only if you get stage 1 right will you go to stage 2. Only if you get stage 1 right will you get to stage 2. Stage 2 is where they will start liking you. The reason they will like you is because you're keeping the focus on their issues. You're talking about their opportunities and their problems. But for that, you need to connect it back to your stake. You need to show them you're the most relevant person for that role. And these two stages you have to walk through when you walk the job search and application journey. This is what earns you the right to play the game. Only if you get these two stages right will you get to stage number 3, and that is them starting to trust you. But please understand, trust will only happen once you start the work. Your work has to speak for itself. But the reason you will be able to earn their trust is because you have used the SPT model and your stake is qualified to solve their extraordinary needs. And you have scanned the environment to understand that it is a good fit for you as a person. That is why you will be able to earn their trust. But to get to stage 3, you have to go through stage 1 and 2. And when you first start interacting with the company, your first interaction with them will be a written interaction. So please understand this. You have to first master the inbound approach in the written mode of communication. And after that, after you position yourself differently here in how they get to know you, they will then screen you. You will be shortlisted. There'll be a phone call to screen you. So now you need to learn how to master the inbound approach in the verbal mode of communication. Only then will it lead to an interview. And then you need to understand how to master the inbound approach in the live interview, in the face-to-face setting. And please understand, your ability to retain the power, your ability to keep control over salary negotiations starts here in how compelling of a candidate you have positioned yourself to be when you first become visible to them. How many of you are making this connect? Give me a MTC for making this connect if you are making this connect. If you don't get this right, you will not be able to control the salary negotiation process. See, please understand this. Every example that I've given you, these are all people like you who took 60 to 90 days maximum to be able to get their red diamond jobs. There are many red diamond jobs hiding out there for you. And that is why I want you to understand, I call my system the Apex system, because it gets you your dream job in 90 days or less. And the traditional process is taking double the time and even more. And there is no guarantee. For every one person that gets a job, thousands get rejected. And see, I use the word Apex. I use the word Apex as an acronym. APEX. Accelerated Professional Excellence in X, where X is any job, any industry, any sector of the economy. The industry you come from does not matter, because the framework applies to every single industry and function. So now you have a choice. You have a choice. You can keep waiting for your life to open doors for you, or you can take charge of the key. You can keep waiting for your company or your boss to give you the right opportunities, or you can take the right opportunities. Because I told you, I'll give you the complete framework. I'll help you understand the complete overview. Step 1 is aligning the 3 circles. You have to take that responsibility to align these 3 circles. And if you want to reach the center of these 3 circles, you have to take that journey using the SPT model, where you take companies from suspects to prospects to targets. And when you take that journey, you have to walk that journey using the inbound approach. Only when you put these 3 secrets together does your red diamond become a reality. I told you that by the end of the webinar today, I will help you understand how these three secrets work together. Have you understood an overview of how these three secrets work together? Give me a U for understood if you've got the broad picture in your head of how these three secrets work together. But please appreciate, do you also realize there is a lot more to learn? Give me a LML if you understand that there is a lot more to learn. Because please understand, your career is not like a toy. It's not like a khilona. Your career is like a living, breathing thing. Your career is like a living, breathing thing. You have taken decisions and over years, your career has gotten off track. It's like a living, breathing thing. Each situation is unique. Takes a lot of effort and a lot of involvement to fix someone's career. Please understand this. It's not just learning. It will take coaching to help you get to that greatness. See, learning will give you knowledge. It is wonderful to have knowledge, but if you don't know how to apply the knowledge, it will not get you anything. The difference between knowledge and applied knowledge is what makes all the difference. Zameen aasmaan ka farak hota hai ye. See, knowledge is like the ingredients of a dish. Coaching is like the recipe. If you don't have the recipe, you will not be able to cook the dish. And I know some people must be thinking, oh, he's a career coach, so he's promoting his coaching. You don't have to have me as your coach, okay? I am not the best and I am not the only one. But please, in your life, develop a mindset to work with experts. Because you cannot do everything all the time. You cannot reinvent the wheel and start from scratch. See, I have a coach for my spiritual life. I have a coach for my financial portfolio. I have a coach for my health and my yoga. Coaching is not needed when you're in trouble. Coaching is needed whenever you want to scale your life to the next level. Only serious people consider this. Please understand that. See, I've given you a lot of fresh perspective about the job search and application journey. But please understand this. This much I can tell you. There is no other career coach out there who can get you the results that I can get you, because my system came from my unique journey. I'm sure there are coaches who can get you the standard 15, 20%, but they cannot get you a 300% in 90 days. So please understand this. My system came from my unique journey. So the big question that I have for you is, how many of you want to work with me to get your red diamond job? Give me a U in the comment box if you want to work with me to get your red diamond job. See, I want you to understand this. If you want to work with me, then in the coming 20 minutes, I am going to show you how this engagement is going to work step by step. Is that okay? Give me a okay if you want to understand how this engagement will work step by step. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. But see, please understand, this is not for everyone. This is only for select people. This is only for select people. This is only for people who understand the value of investing in themselves. Your career is like a living, breathing thing. There is no, you cannot go to a chemist and ask for, भैया career ठीक करने की दवाई दे दो. दवाई खाई career ठीक हो गया. ऐसे नहीं होता. Please understand that this is only for people who understand the value of investing in themselves. If you are willing to invest 20,000 rupees in yourself to achieve these results, then this is for you. If you are not willing to invest in your own growth, you do not have to be here for this part of the webinar. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Please understand that. My feelings for you are not going to change. If you reach out to me and ask for my help, I'll do my best to help you. But please understand, my time is for my students. My time is for people who have understood the power of the red diamond, because I am building my red diamonds army. We are already at hundreds and thousands of success stories. So if you want to make a meaningful difference to your career and your life, then you need to come in. Otherwise, this is not for you. Please understand this, because I do this because I'm passionate about it. I've had a great career. I made a lot of money, but even more than that, I've had some eye-opening insight when it comes to how to build a career as a science. And I want you to understand this. I'm not doing this for your little money. I come from a very well-to-do background. My family owns this company. The company is as old as India is independent. As a group, we employ more than 700 people. My grandfather started the company, and today I run all of our project lighting businesses. Please understand, I'm not doing this for your money. The bigger reason why I'm doing this is because I know what it feels like to get fired. See, the job of any coach is to know when to love you and when to kick you. Please understand this. When to love you and when to kick you. This fees is your commitment fees, because if you don't put your own skin in the game, you won't take this seriously. But I don't want to waste anyone's time, because I know when someone is fired, it is not just a paycheck that stops. It hits your pride, it hits your identity. And I never want any hardworking person to ever have to go through that feeling. So only with your permission will I tell you what my program is about. May I have your permission? Please give me a P for permission if you want to understand what my program is about. See, my flagship program, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate that response. Thank you so much. See, my flagship program is known as the Apex Foundations program. And this program is priced at 19,999. And I can tell you, people come to my website every day to buy it at this price plus GST. So please have your cards ready. You can pay by credit card or debit card or GPay. There are multiple ways to pay. But please understand, this Diwali has just gone by. It's a time of renewal. Okay, Diwali has just gone by. All right, today is the 6th of November, and I have a special bonus for everyone here who is an action taker. How many of you love gifts? Give me a LG for love gifts in the comment box if you love gifts. Well, then think of this as a Diwali bonus. Think of this as a Diwali gift. All right. And please understand this. I'll explain what this is. If you complete your transaction in the next 15 minutes, and I will give you the link of where you can do so, okay, I will give you my complete bundle. Not just my flagship course, but I will give you all 8 modules. See, please understand the total value of these modules is over ₹1 lakh. Okay. There are many moving parts to a job search and application journey. There are salary negotiations. There is dealing with recruiters. There is interviewing. There are many different moving parts to the job search and application journey. And you get all of this free as a Diwali bonus for the price of 19,999 if you complete your transaction in the next 15 minutes. And I will put a timer. Okay, I will put a timer. It is 12:50 now. We are only going to go till, it's 12:51. We'll only go till 1:06. Okay. So I'm just going to take you through what these modules are so that you understand how this system works. See, the first module that you're going to go through is called the Employer's Expectations Blueprint. If you want to work at a 3x, then there is a minimum baseline in terms of strategy, finance, execution, team building that the company is going to expect you to understand. People call this course in itself a mini MBA. Please understand that. And you cannot claw your way to the top of an organization. आप पंजे मार मार के एक कंपनी में ऊपर नहीं चढ़ सकते. People have to take you there. You have to be carried there. So if you don't understand the habits that create the profile of leadership, this is not going to become a possibility for you. Please understand that. And this second module takes you through a very deep learning where you need to be honest with yourself. The third module is my most popular module. This is called the salary acceleration formula. See, businesses are hurt right now. Supply chains are disturbed. Things are disrupted. You need a new framework of how to create compelling value in several industries and companies to recapture profitable market share. How to bring together technology and process and personnel to recapture that profitable market share. And this course allows you to do that. The minute you work through the templates in this course, that is when you become absolutely unstoppable in terms of the demand factor. Every company will want you. And the fourth course that you're going to go through is called the target qualification system. See, there are two types of companies that you will meet. Companies that will give you a reward after you create value for them. And the second type of company is that after you create the value for them, they will find an excuse not to give you the reward. And it is in that soft data campaign where you need to identify that you don't go after such companies. And this is what I help you understand here. The fifth course is the Apex Insiders Secrets. And this is where I will take you in detail into the hard of the hard and soft data research stages so that you can see it specific to your industry and you can see it specific to where you are in your career. And the sixth one is where I help you understand the recruitment industry and how to break through to recruiters because they are getting hundreds and thousands of unsolicited applications every day. See, recruiters know where the best red diamonds are hiding. And if you don't know how to break through to a relationship to a recruiter, you're not playing this game at 100%. Because when a recruiter believes in you, they will push you forward for the best opportunities. You must be working with at least 12 right recruiters in your industry and your field. The seventh one is called the Jobs Communication Toolbox, and this is built entirely on the inbound approach. Entirely on the inbound approach. How to interact and tackle every single touch point with the company in the job search and application journey based on the inbound approach. Companies relate with you for their needs, not for your needs and not for your greatness. And the last one is Apex Interviews, the ultimate guide. You want to master salary negotiations? You want to master the interviewing process? You want to be in a position where you can answer every single interview question from a place of sincerity and merit? Because these people do this for a living. They know how to get to the sachai. They know how to get to the truth of your personality. There are many people who make it to this stage, but they don't break through in the interview. See, please understand that. And if you take action in the next 15 minutes, this entire system is free for you, included in the price. Because please understand, this helps me get to my red diamond. But we've just had Diwali. So I'm going to do my best to help you. Please understand this. Do you want more? Give me a GMM for give me more if you want more. I'll do my best, guys. Please understand, for the next 15 minutes, you don't have to, I'll give you more. You don't have to pay 19,999 for this program, but this is only for the next 15 minutes. Only if you are an action taker. In the next 15 minutes, you only have to pay 9,999, including your GST. I will pay your GST out of my pocket. And I will give you the link of where to go and make the payment, because I am going to welcome every single person who is joining my Red Diamond Army personally. The link is on your screen and I'm just going to put it in the comment box. Yeah, it's been put into the comment box as well. Please click the payment link. Please click the payment link and go and complete your payment. Okay. Please click the payment link and go and complete your payment. And after you complete your payment, please come back to this comment box and give me 3 pieces of information. Give me 3 pieces of information. I need PC for payment complete. Okay. I need PC for payment complete. I need your name and I need what city you are from. Okay. I need 3 pieces of information from you after you complete your payment. Please come back to the comment box and give me these 3 pieces of information. PC for payment complete, your name, and what city you are from, because I am going to personally welcome you into my Red Diamonds Army. All right. And please understand, these are video-based courses. This is video-based course to which you have lifetime access. All right. You have lifetime access to this course. All right. But please understand, it is not just a video-based course. This is not just a video-based course. Do you want even more? Give me a EM for even more if you want even more. If you want even more, I am going to give you a 2-day live training next weekend. 2-day live training, morning to night, to work with me in a personal capacity on your implementation. On November 20th and 21st, we are going to work from morning to night on your implementation. We will work through the entire process from start to finish, developing your resume, your marketing materials, every single thing about your career. We are going to attend to, and I'm going to help you understand the personal mindset to every single career strategy so that you can implement this system and gain the benefits. Please understand that. Tanseem Boxwala from Mumbai, welcome to the program. Excellent to have you on board, Tanseem. Looking forward to working with you. You're from the financial capital of the country. Excellent to have you on board. Thank you for your trust in me and thank you for your trust in yourself. Thank you for being an action taker. I look forward to our journey together. You've made the best decision of your career. You will be looking at a very different life and reality in the coming near future. Samrat Ray Chaudhary, welcome Samrat. Excellent to have you on board. Looking forward to working with you, Samrat. Excellent to have you as part of my inner circle of members. Geeta Gupta from Delhi. Geeta, welcome. Brilliant to have you on board, Geeta. Looking forward to working with you. Welcome to the Red Diamonds Army. You've taken an amazing decision because our goal is when we cross that finish line. Okay, Samrat, you're from Kolkata. You're from one of my favorite cities. Lovely to have you on board. Guys, the reason I'm asking for your city is please understand, because I already have a lot of student chapters and we do meetups. So please understand, let this coronavirus situation settle down a little more and we will resume our meetups. So I attend all of these meetups. You will have access to me personally as well when we come for the meetups. Rachit Bhagat, welcome Rachit from Bangalore. Excellent to have you on board. Looking forward to working with you, Rachit. Himadri Gangwar from Mumbai. Himadri, welcome to the Red Diamonds Army. You've taken an amazing decision. Suresh Chellam, also from Mumbai. Suresh, welcome. Excellent to have you on board. Yeah, Nakul, this is next weekend. It's going to be next weekend. So please block these 2 dates. ये दोनों दिन please block कर लीजिएगा. जो आप आज sign up कर रहे हैं, please block these 2 dates, November 20th and 21st. This Saturday and Sunday is your investment in your career. Don't tell me कि मेरी एक meeting आ रही है और ये हो रहा है और वो हो रहा है. Please be there. लोग 2-2 दिन की छुट्टी लेकर के ये ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करते हैं. This is going to change your life. And if the date doesn't suit you, send us an email. My team will help you understand what your alternative is. मैं किसी को भी पीछे नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Nobody will be left behind. If for some reason you have a commitment next weekend, next to अभी भी 2 हफ्ते पड़े हैं. If you have a commitment in 2 weeks and you cannot make this date, I will give you my email. Please send us an email today. आज ही email भेजिएगा so that we can tell you what the alternative is. All right. It takes a lot of effort to put together this 2-day training. So please understand, सुबह से लेकर के शाम तक की training है. So please understand that. Nobody will be left behind. I will make sure each and every one of you who are signing up get to attend this training. Okay, not to worry. Guys, please understand this. Francis Toro from Bangalore, welcome. Geeta Gupta, you're an aspiring board member. Absolutely, all of these are the kind of things that can happen. Bhupendra Bhisht from Haldwani in Uttarakhand, just short of Nainital. Lovely to have you on board, Bhupendra. Vikram Yuvraj, welcome Vikram. Lovely to have you on board. Arjun Majumdar, welcome Arjun. Manoj Tiwari, welcome Manoj. Okay, Vikram, you're from Chennai. I live in Chennai. I'm visiting Delhi right now, but I live in Chennai. Lovely to have you on board, Vikram. Arjun Majumdar is from Hyderabad. Lovely to have you on board. Bhavna Sharma from Rajasthan. Bhavna, lovely to have you on board. Hardik Mistry from Mumbai, welcome. Prashant Sarang, Hardik Mistry and Prashant Sarang, welcome to both of you. Prashant is also from Mumbai. Rajan Raha from Kolkata, welcome Rajan, excellent to have you on board. Gurvinder Singh Nanda from Valsad, welcome. Lovely to have you on board. That's right, Darpan. It's next to next weekend. It's not next weekend. अगले से अगले हफ्ते 20 नवंबर 21 नवंबर is the training. That's right. 2 हफ्ते पड़े हैं. That's right. Vijay B. Welcome to the program, Vijay. Excellent to have you on board. Okay, Vijay, you're also from Bangalore. It's one of my favorite places. You have some of the best weather in the country. Guys, please understand, when you go through this training, you're going to go through all 7 stages. Please understand this. Please pay attention to this because this is very critical. I am going to help you master your entire steak. You're going to completely master your steak. Your skills, your talent, your education, experiences, knowledge, and quality. Because please understand, you are a unique individual. And the companies that you target, हर company में situation फर्क होगी. The needs in every company will be different. If you do not know the richness and the depth of your own experiences, the totality of what makes you you, you will not be able to pull up the right sound bites and market yourself effectively. So I will go very deeply into helping you master the power of who you already are. And then we will get into your psychology. We'll get into a lot of subliminal factors. You will take a professional personality profile exam. You'll take a personality profile test, because please understand, leadership is associated with a certain psychology. And I want to help you understand what is the gap between where you are and what is the psychology behind leadership. The minute this understanding snaps into place, we can start working on the plan to get you to those behaviors. And we will develop a complete career roadmap for you. You will see how the SPT model helps you create a complete career roadmap, not just identifying your red diamond job, but going beyond that. Where do you want to be in 1 year from now, in 3 years from now, in 5 years from now? You want to use your job to create a financial corpus of 5 crores, 7 crores, 10 crores. All of those things become possible if you take action now. But if you don't take action, no one can help you. फैंटेसी से नहीं हो जाएगा. किसी केमिस्ट पे जाके करियर ठीक करने की दवाई नहीं ले सकते. And we will work on all of your marketing materials, your power resume format, your long form resume, your short form resume, every single cover letter that you write, every single approach letter that you write, every single select achievement that you have had, how to market it appropriately for the right situations. We'll work on all of that in this 2-day live training. And that is where on day 2, we will get into the SPT model, how to build the right list of suspects, how to work hard data research to take them to prospects, and then through soft data research to uncover their culture and take them to targets. I will work with all of you to get that process set up and going, and how to interact and tackle these companies on the basis of the inbound approach, so that when you start generating offers, you know how to rank and sort these offers and truly understand which companies are your red diamond companies. Because most people who do this, they generate multiple offers. But please understand, your work is a portion of your life. Your life is not a portion of your work. आपका काम आपके जीवन का एक हिस्सा है. So at the age of 30, your priorities are different. At the age of 50, your priorities are different. If it has to be your dream job, it has to fit into the priorities of your life right now. At 30, you can take on more execution heavy roles, but at 50, you want to be valued for your wisdom and your strategic thinking. So please understand, for it to be your dream job, the dream job for somebody at the age of 50 is a very different looking job versus at the age of 30. And if you have a black spot on your resume, अगर आपके resume पे आपकी history में कोई काला धब्बा है, you have been fired, or you have an employment gap, या शुरू में बहुत ज़्यादा job hopping कर ली है, you've gone from company to company to company, then please understand, the only solution to these problems is the SPT model. Or you may be in a situation where your age is now holding you back. People are not even interviewing you because you are more senior in age, or you have an employment gap, or you were let go at some point, or you did job hopping. Then please understand, the only break to these situations is the SPT model, because it shifts the value to what you bring to the table today. It is much easier to forgive you for all of those things in the past if you are a compelling candidate today. And if you don't understand hard and soft data research, then it will not work. You will not be able to make yourself compelling. You need to go beyond the job descriptions. Vineet Bekal, welcome. Deepak Kumar, welcome. Uday Kumar Singh from Agra, welcome. Bhavna Sharma, welcome. Manoj Tiwari, welcome Manoj. Gurvinder Singh Nanda, welcome Gurvinder, all the way from Valsad in Gujarat. Lalit Hindulani from Delhi, welcome. Excellent to have you on board. Venkatramana Soletti is saying payment link is not working. Venkatramana, my team will give you an alternative link. You can use that as well. My team will just give you an alternative link and you can use that as well. Just try again, it'll work because it's not a volume problem on the payment gateway. Nakul Chaudhary from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Lovely to have you on board, Nakul. Looking forward to working with you. Deepa Anish is saying, sir, I am trying the payment, but it's getting failed. Give me some more time. Deepa, it's already past that time. How many people need more time? Give me a T for time if you need more time. Because the price is going to go back up to 19,999. Okay, there's quite a few people who need more time. Okay, so I will give you another 10 minutes. Please complete your payments. Ajit Mogarkar from Pune. Ajit Mogarkar, lovely to have you on board. You're from one of my favorite places. I even know the Chitile Bandhu Bhakarwadi of Pune. Lovely to have you on board. I have a big student community in Pune. Yeah, for those of you whose payments are getting failed, my team has put in an alternative link also. It's the Razorpay link. You can even click on that alternate link and you can make the payment there also. Wali Khan, Wali, I have loved the way you have been participating throughout.